Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Made with AI on Instagram. So Made with AI is a tag for content created using AI tools, whether it's photos, videos, or other types of media. These tools might be AI-based image generators, video editors, or any tech that leverages machine learning to create or tweak content. Instagram has a feature called Label as Made with AI that lets you tag your content to show it's AI generated. This label helps your viewers know that the media they're seeing was made with the help of AI technology. Using this label, you can be transparent with your audience, building trust and credibility by letting them know when AI was involved in your content creation. So, when you label your post as made with AI on Instagram, you're making sure your followers are aware of the AI's role in your creative process. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.